Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. The PS5 is updated, and you're signed into the same PlayStation Network account on both devices. Once done, open the PlayStation app on your phone and tap the console icon at the bottom. Make sure your PS5 is powered on or in rest mode. This allows pairing. Next, choose the Connect to PS5 option and follow the on-screen prompt to add a new console. Doing these first steps gets the devices ready to establish a secure link. Once the app detects your PS5, tap its name to start pairing and wait for a verification code to appear on your TV. You must enter that numeric code into the app promptly. This confirms you control both devices and prevents accidental links. After entry, the app will request permissions, such as remote play and notifications. Enable the options you want. Make sure remote play is activated in console settings under System so the app can stream. These steps complete the secure handshake between phone and PS. To finish, check the app's console list to confirm your PS5 shows as linked. Then test a feature like remote play or second screen controls to ensure everything works. If the connection is stable, you're done and can use the app for messaging, downloads, or streaming. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart both the PS5 and your phone, ensure both are on the same network, and repeat the pairing. This often clears transient network conflicts and resolves most linking failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.